where should I look? Here or here? I don't know. Okay, great. Hi, we're Suli Runners. We are a club at AUIS. I am the faculty advisor, but also a member. We meet every Friday at 9 a.m. in Park Yazadi for running, jogging, and walking. Anyone's invited, all the community, AUIS, anyone from outside. And once a semester, we have competitions on campus. We hope you'll join us. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram for all of our weekly updates.
Another club I'm representing is the basketball team, which I am a part of and many other good players are part of. And I think you should come if you think you're a good basketball player and join us in our basketball team.
Hello everyone, my name is Shiro. I'm from Environment Keepers. We are a club in AUIS and our motto is leading to a clean environment. We have projects inside university and outside university, and also we have upcoming projects like recycling papers and recycling the water bottles.
My name is Hussein from the Order of the Geeks Club. Our club's main goal is to host tournaments in video games in which the winner gets a prize. And we also host movie nights in which all of us watch movies together. And our aim for the club is to unite the students and basically be less stressed about university.
I'm Yalda Alani. I'm the student leader of AUIS Creative Writing Club. Our faculty sponsor is Ms. Jamalia Haley. We meet once a week with students and sometimes faculty members. Anyone is free to come to write together any kind of creative writing, poetry, stories, whatever. We listen to music together and we see how this music encourages us to write. We always make reading parties, probably every semester.
This is Karvin Darwash Ahmed, AUIS Art Club leader. We thought that we have a lot of artists, the people who do sketching, drawing, and calligraphy as well at AUIS, so we thought that we should bring all of these people together.
Hello, my name is Kazi. I'm president of Code Blue. We started our club on September 20th, 2018. Our goal is to provide seminars throughout our semesters, as well as providing TOT, training of trainers for MLS majors, and raising awareness on health issues inside AUIS community and the wider community.